In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your iPhone contacts to your Gmail account. Now, this is actually a really straightforward process. There's just a couple of steps involved. So the first thing we're going to do is load up the core app on your phone, and at the bottom, make sure you've got contacts selected, and then you need to click lists in the top left-hand side. Now from here, you'll just need to find the list that contains all of your contacts. So for me, that's saved in my old iCloud. For you, it could be called contacts or something different. And what you need to do here is just hold down on where all of your contacts are saved, and then come over to export. Now make sure you have all of these options ticked, and then you're going to press done in the top right hand side. Then scroll all the way down to save to files and click on this, and go ahead and press save. So now that we've exported all of our contacts, we can send them over to Gmail. To do that, you need to head over to an internet browser, and in the URL section, just type in contacts.google.com. Now you need to make sure you're signed in to your Google account, and then click on the plus icon down at the bottom. Then from here, click on create multiple contacts, and you'll have this link down here that says import contacts. So you want to go ahead and click on this, then click on select file, and now we can select that file that we just downloaded to our iPhone, and finally go ahead and press import. So now that we've imported all of our contacts, we'll now be able to use them on our Gmail and Google account. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next